It's me again, your favorite not-so-mad scientist, Jess. Today is our third day of spooky science. We are one day closer to Halloween, and we will be making a fan favorite, slime. But not only slime, glow-in-the-dark jack-o'-lantern slime. Pretty cool, huh? And for our science bit, we're gonna learn why and how some things can glow in the dark. So get ready, scared, and let's get spooky. There's two ways of making slime that I'm gonna be talking about with you guys today. The first one is with slime activator. The product is ready to go and it's going to activate your slime to give that slimy consistency. And the second one is by using baking soda and contact lens solution. For the glow-in-the-dark part, you have three options. You can use glow-in-the-dark glue, glow-in-the-dark acrylic paint, or you can buy glow-in-the-dark powder. We are going to be making slime with glow-in-the-dark glue and glow-in-the-dark paint with a little bit of glow-in-the-dark powder. Other than that, you are going to need some food coloring for when you use just the regular glue, contact lens solution, a spoon, baking soda, a bowl, and you're going to need some black foam, like EVA stuff, because you're going to create eyes and mouths for your jack-o'-lantern. So let's get spooky. Let's start with the glow-in-the-dark glue. And for this one, I'm going to use the slime activator. Just a tiny bit. Now we mix it together. We made it. We have our first slime. Now we're gonna make our second slime in the other way I told you guys about. First, we have to make our activator. To do that, we are going to mix in a bowl 3 tablespoons of contact solution, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. That's going to work the same way this thing here works. This one is the product ready to go, and this one is the homemade one. Okay, I'm gonna set aside. Now in a bowl, we are going to put together 1 cup of glue. Now we're going to add our color. We want orange, so I'm going to add a little bit of the glow-in-the-dark powder. I'm not going to put much because I'm already using the glow-in-the-dark paint. Now we add our acrylic paint. Now we gotta mix it. Okay, now I have the color I want. We are going to grab the activator we've made it and pour a little bit by little bit in our glue and mix real good. Okay, now we have our slime. We have both of them, the one we made with glow-in-the-dark glue and the one we made with glow-in-the-dark paint and glow-in-the-dark powder. Do you want to see glow-in-the-dark? Let's go! You know, one of the ways that something can glow in the dark is called phosphorescence, and the other one is fluorescence. Fluorescence is when something glows under a black light, like this one, and then goes off when the black light's off too. Black lights give off harmless and highly energetic ultraviolet light, and this light is invisible to humans. Some fluorescent substances can absorb this ultraviolet light, then they are going to re-emit in a different wavelength. This re-emitting in a different wavelength that makes the material glow. What is causing this material to glow is something called phosphors. Phosphors are a material that emit light in response to radiation, like this one here. That's what happens with tonic water. Do you want to see? Tonic water has a substance called quinine. Quinine is a fluorescent substance. That's why tonic water glows under black light, but it does not glow when there's no black light, meaning that there's no radiation, there's no ultraviolet light. So when it turns off, it doesn't glow anymore. But another way that things can glow in the dark is called phosphorescence. Phosphorescent substance, they need to be charged under the light. You know when you buy plastic stars to put in your ceiling in your room, and after you turn the lights off, they just keep glowing? That's a phosphorescent substance. They need to be charged. So when the lights in your room are on, they keep charging and charging. And when they go off, they light. Just like this. Oh. And they keep glowing and glowing and glowing because they were charged with light. When we expose the object to the light, it will absorb the photons. This will put the electrons in a higher electronic excited state. As the lights go off, it radiates a photon as the electron returns to a lower energy state. Eventually, the electrons will lose their energy and they are going to stop glowing. But what about the jack-o'-lantern part? Well, because we are made out of foam, it's going to be easy to take it off. Using glow-in-the-dark things is just amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see each other tomorrow again. Bye bye!